While everyone is debating the best hotel program to move to since Hyatt has devalued their points, there's been a small luxury hotel program sitting in Citi's transfer partner list that nobody's talking about. And no, I'm not talking about choice or preferred hotels here. It's a program that comes with free continental breakfast for two with no status required, upgrade priority, and a solid value at 5-star hotels around the world. The partner I'm talking about is Leading Hotels of the World, or LHW. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works and whether it deserves a spot in your points and miles strategy. Leading Hotels of the World isn't a typical hotel chain. It's a collection of luxury properties, and this collection is much smaller in scale than the Hiltons and Marriotts of the world, and this is probably why you don't hear much about them. But what they lack for in size, they try to make up for in the quality or uniqueness of the properties themselves. It's free to become a member of LHW, and booking with points unlocks a set of perks that you get automatically just as a free member with no status needed, which is what I was hinting at here. You get the free continental breakfast for two every single day, and your booking gets upgrade priority. However, these upgrades aren't guaranteed, but being considered ahead of non-points bookings is a nice touch. Now, it's Citi ThankYou Points from Citi cards like the Citi Strata Premier or the Citi Strata Elite that transfer directly to LHW. However, if you have the Amex Platinum or the Business Platinum, you actually get Sterling status with LHW as a free card benefit. This gives you 5 pre-arrival upgrade requests, so you could try to lock in an upgrade before you even check in. You should be able to do this with points bookings, but if you're booking with cash, you just want to be sure to book through LHW themselves, not through the Amex Find Hotels and Resorts travel portal. But now let's talk about how LHW points actually work, because the transfer ratio from Citi is a little unusual compared to what we're used to. So now let's get down to the nitty gritty and let me show you. So this is LHW.com. First thing you need to do is just create an account if you don't already have one, and then ultimately you'll log in. Once you're logged in, it's fairly straightforward. You just type in where you want to go. So let's say we want to go to Greece. It'll tell you the different cities that they have hotels in. They'll separate it by hotel, or you could just search the whole country, which is nice. And then you'll search for whatever dates you're interested in. Ultimately, the most important thing is that you swipe on this view with points option. So we'll say we're looking in September for a few nights, and you'll just hit search, and they'll just show you your options. And now one thing I like about it is that generally this website loads up pretty quick. So we can see we've got some options that are as low as 8,000 points or as low as 5,000 points per night here. And this is where we need to pause, because Citi transfers at a 5-to-1 ratio. So to get to 5,600 LHW points, you're going to need to transfer 28,000 Citi points per night. The program for LHW goes by Leaders Club, by the way. So whenever you're looking at these results, you need to multiply this points price by 5. And these points prices that they see, they do fluctuate based on the cash price that the hotel is going for. And of course, that price can change drastically depending on the dates that you're looking at. So that's something to be aware of. And now I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the value that we're getting from these hotels. So I'm going to take 3 hotels, these 2 in Crete, and then this one here in Mykonos, going for just under 5,000 points per night. And I'm going to plug them into the award redemption analyzer. And so what I've done exactly here is I just put in the points price, multiply it by 5, and then compare it to the cash price of each night that these hotels are going for. And then it gives me the value that I'm getting from these 3 hotels. And you can see it's given us a range right underneath 1.6 cents per point. And so that is about the amount of value that you can expect to get. Usually it's a little bit closer to 1.6, sometimes even a little bit higher, as high as 1.8 or so. Like I said, it just depends on the cash price and sometimes the points price that they're charging for this. And I'd say this isn't bad for a 5-star hotel or a decently luxurious property. And so if we go and look at one of these resorts, like let's take a look at this one in Mykonos. We click reserve and it will take us to the list of rooms that we have available. So you've got this one that's a king bed and 2 other beds, but then you also have a superior room with a jacuzzi view. Of course, you will pay more depending on how much it costs here. In some rooms, as well as some properties or hotels in general, they aren't bookable with points. So you always want to be sure you know what you're booking and make sure that it is available with points and get a good look in terms of how many points it's actually going to cost here. So they've got links to see more pictures here or to see hotel details. But most importantly, you've got the points price. You can click here to see the rate details and see that they're charging the same number of points every night. You've got the cancellation policy here. Now, there is one big question that I don't have a completely accurate answer to, and that's the question of, does LHW charge taxes and fees or hotel resort fees, etc., on award stays? And now I've heard mixed things, but I think ultimately is you might. And it does look like Leaders Club does state state that taxes and service charges, when applicable, to be paid to hotel upon check-in. Now, the unfortunate thing is that they don't list any of those fees on this page. Even if you try to look at the rate details of the cash fare, it gives you just the total price and it says includes any taxes and fees. The best guess I would have is maybe you'll pay 15 euros per night, but that's not listed under this rate details of the points redemptions. But there are different data points online stating that you do have to pay taxes and fees or some type of fee when staying at various resorts. On the other hand, there are also many examples of where people aren't charged any fees, so it just depends. But this page is as far as you can go without having the amount of points that you would need. So you would simply just multiply this number by 4 to get the total number of Leaders Club points that you need, and then multiply that number by 5 in order to figure out how many Citi points you need to book this room for the number of nights that you're looking for. Now, if you're curious, this calculator, the Award Redemption Analyzer, is actually part of the TRS dashboard, which TRS is the redemption system, which is the name of my new course that I've just developed, all about teaching you how to find business class award flights. I teach you the step-by-step process that I personally use to find the best available business class flights for my clients. And so if you're interested in learning more about the redemption system, check out the link down below. But now I just want to highlight a few different properties that is available on LHW just to get your mind wandering here. So we do have a nice resort in Bali at a popular area, going for a touch more than 35,000 Citi points per night, which is not too bad for a luxurious place like this. You've got this hotel that's available for just over 2,800 LHW points, which equates closer to 14,000 points per night, which is not bad at all. And then we've got these two luxurious hotels that are running between 30 to 35,000 points per night. So as you can see, this is a nice niche hotel program that can maybe get you to some places that aren't typically available on other hotel programs. So is leading hotels of the world worth your Citi points? Well, I think LHW fits a nice little niche spot that has become open in terms of the luxurious hotel realm. Now that Hyatt has devalued a lot of their luxurious higher tiered properties, I think this can fill in a little bit of that gap. Now there are a lot of good uses to use your Citi points on, but if you haven't found a great use and if you're interested in a luxurious hotel stay, I think checking out LHW.com might be worth it. Because remember, not only are you getting that solid 1.6 cent per point value, but you're also getting that free continental breakfast for 2 people and the possibility for a room upgrade. And then one last thing I noticed is that some of these properties on LHW.com are available to Leaders Club. I've also seen available with Preferred Hotels, bookable with Preferred Points. And Preferred Hotels is a transfer partner of Citi. They have a lesser ratio than what was previously 1:4. Now it's 1:2, but it might be worth checking out just to make sure you get the best points deal. So be sure to take that into consideration as well. If you're interested in learning more about what you could do with your Citi points, you'll want to check out this video here. Or if you're interested in learning about how to find the best business class available for the trips that you actually want to go on the dates that you're actually available in, be sure to check out the link down below in the description for the redemption system. I'll see you in the next one. Don't leave me hanging.